Up early morning, trying to get this shit done. Motor already took apart. Rest of my little pieces. Brand new pieces, whole bunch of brand new shit. Spark plugs, heads. Just got them in yesterday. Can't wait to put these motherfuckers on. She should be ready today. Brand new, everything. Whole top of my motor done. So loud. And getting this car done is my motherfucking goal today. So you're not gonna see me on the streets at all. 09 Impala SS 5.3 vet motor. We'll be done. These motherfuckers took forever to get back. Gonna have to be back. So get these on. These pieces in that bitch. And it's a wrap. You see me in the SS.